Okay, so here's some interesting animal facts about things that are big and things that are small. So hummingbirds are cute and small already. But check this out. In Cuba, they have a hummingbird so small that it's the size of a bee. So naturally, they named it the bee hummingbird. Talking about long things, giraffes are known for their long necks. However, they have long tongues too. Their tongues are about 20 inches long. That's long enough for them to clean their ears with their tongue. Here's something interesting about another small creature. The smallest crab in the world is the size of a pea. So naturally, they named it the pea crab. What's the largest crustacean? The largest lobster ever caught was in 1934 and weighed 42 pounds. Okay, so here's another largest, and this one is very big. The largest jellyfish ever caught was 7 feet 6 inches in diameter, and its tentacles stretched to about 120 feet. That's comparable to a 12-story building. So what's the smallest mammal? The smallest mammal is actually called the Pygmy Shrew. It weighs less than a dime, and it is no longer than 10 centimeters. Okay, so here's a fact that I actually find very interesting. The largest cat is a lion, but I bet you didn't know this. The Chinese, during the reign of Kublai Khan, actually trained lions, kind of like hunting dogs, to hunt large game. For instance, wild bulls and wild bears. What's the largest land mammal? That would be the African elephant. African elephants can be as long as 25 feet and weigh as much as 16,500 pounds. That's a lot. Ants are quite small creatures. However, they have been known to live in quite large colonies. For example, the largest ant colony that has ever been found had over 300 million ants, and it covered about 2 square miles. Okay, so elephants are the largest land mammal, but what about the largest water mammal? Well, that would be the whale. And in fact, blue whales can weigh 30 times as much as an elephant, and a blue whale can be 3 times the size of a Greyhound bus. The largest octopus is the Pacific giant octopus. Now, when this octopus is born, it starts out being about the size of a pea. However, within 2 years, this octopus will grow to be about 30 feet long, and it will be about 150 pounds. What's the largest hog? The largest hog was named Big Bill, and he weighed over 2,552 pounds. That's some big bacon. Okay, so here's another fun one. Grizzly bears are quite big, right? So you'd think that a grizzly bear might not be able to run very fast. However, you'd be wrong, because grizzly bears run very fast. So fast that in fact, they can outrun the average horse. In an upcoming video, more fun animal facts. And in another video, facts about ancient Greece. Thanks again for watching. I'm so glad you came. Tune in next time for more interesting facts about animals. Please rate my video, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them for me. Thank you. Subscribe or the blonde gets it. You don't want to make her cry, do you? Just please hit the yellow button, please. Please. and its tentacles reached up to 120 feet. That's
the length of the 12-story building.
yeah.